Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this fantastic video. Guys, if you are looking to create an e-commerce website, or not an e-commerce website, you want to create a WordPress website and you want it to be very okay, you want to have a very fantastic design, then what I'm going to show you now is literally going to help you. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video. Now, without wasting your time, let's dive straight into it. This is my laptop right now. So what I'm going to show you is actually going to help you set up any website you want easily. So the first one I have for you is Accra Teams. Now these teams are free. Okay, they are paid version of it, but with the free version you can literally do magic with it. So this is Accra Teams, and with these teams, as you can see here, we have starter templates. There are a lot of starter sites here. You can use any of this one. As you can see, this is agent 3, this is online store. Any of these themes right here, they are for free and you can install it onto your own website and edit it with your favorite page builders, just like Elementor and the likes of them. So it's very simple. So you can easily preview them. So I don't want to preview them, I just want to show you all of them. You can even click to more templates and you're going to see more templates. As you can see here, build your website fast and easy. So if you're looking for any theme, or if you're looking for a good theme to use on your website, whether you want to create an e-commerce or a blog or a business website or a LMS, learning management system, or a magazine type of website, then you need to consider some of these themes I'm going to show you. Okay, so like I said, this first one is Accra Teams. It's fantastic. They have a lot of free themes you can use or free templates you can install. So the next one I have for you is Astra. This is another popular one, very popular on the market. Astra Team, a lot of people are using it already. So if you're looking for a fantastic theme to use on your WordPress website, then this one is cool for you to use. So this is Astra Team. As you can see, it's compatible with your Elementor, BV, Page Builder, WooCommerce, LearnDash. A lot of them is compatible with them, and you can also view the starter templates they have, and they have loads of starter templates. As you can see here, 240 plus ready to import website templates that you can start using. As you can see here, there are so many of them. So anyone you see here with a premium badge, of course you know that is for the pro and premium one, but these other ones here are totally free and you can import them onto any website and edit them and have your website up and running. It's so simple to work with templates, as you just need to edit them and you have your website up and running. Now the last one I have for you, I just want to show you these three which are very popular and very common, and you can create marvelous websites with these three themes. This one is Blosky. This one has some of the pro stuff, some of the things you get for pro on other ones. This one has it for free, and also it has a pro plan, but with the free one you can do magic. Okay, so it allows you to have a lot of access through the customizer. Now if you don't know anything I'm talking about, you don't exactly know what I'm talking about, then what you need to do is to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Stick around, because I'm literally going to be guiding you through on how to use each and every one of these themes to create awesome websites, just like I showed you in the introduction. Like this one, I created this website for a client, very simple website, and as you can see it's stunning and it's looking good, and I made this from a free theme and some plugins as well. Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through how I did everything, and yeah, you can as well do it yourself. Okay, so this is the third one. Like I said, is Blosky, and this Blosky team has premium teams as well, and also has free teams, and you can use any of their free team, install it on any of your website and just customize it and have it ready for you to use. Okay, so this is what I have for you so that you won't miss any video I upload in my next video. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay.